Auroville is a manifestation of a dream. The Journey of Auroville is one of the activities which has been done for the 50th anniversary of Auroville. And the idea came up to reconnect with the public in India after Mr. Modi came here and was actually highlighting the activities of Auroville and the relevance for India. So we went first to New Delhi. It was the first attempt to show what we are doing and to address particularly UNESCO with our concept of integral education. It was related to the Sustainable Development Goals, and one of them was really highlighting unending education.
We continued after the 50th anniversary with Baroda, which reconnected with Sri Aurobindo and his path through India. So coming back from the UK and arriving in India, his first 13 years were spent in Baroda. We did a festival, a 5-day festival in Baroda on the MSU campus, which is the Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda. It's actually the campus where Sri Aurobindo was a professor, and so we were connecting with the student body there and the larger community around. And now we are continuing the path of Sri Aurobindo to Kolkata.
We try to reconnect with the turning point where Sri Aurobindo turned from Aurobindo to what we know as Sri Aurobindo. And this is manifest in different programs which have somehow the same theme.
You see, there were many turning points in his life. Mainly it was Calcutta in 1905 to 1910, when he was active in the political sphere. He was a revolutionary, very strong revolutionary. And then in Alipur jail, where there's a cell, you've perhaps been there, he had this first great spiritual realization, where he saw the divine. For him it was Krishna everywhere, in the jailer, in the judge, in the jury and everything. And that really transformed him. And that, I think, converted Aravinda Ghosh into Sri Aurobindo.
We felt that some of our people in Auroville will experience India and find out about the richness of India, and some people in India might like to know what's happening in Auroville. So it's a mutual exchange between learning and teaching.
Auroville generally, from my association with Auroville, I've learned. From the festival also I have learned that the Aurovilians are very creative when they want to be, when they collaborate. They're extremely efficient, and all the literature that they brought out, both for Baroda and for Kolkata, is really very impressive. The highlight for me, seas. That I had not seen before. And I think that was beautifully done, because apparently in the actual dance, about 100 people are involved. And here, with just 2 very good dancers and the background, they were able to present it.
It's like a sense of pilgrimage to go to Calcutta, and in the same sense, a pilgrimage to come to Tamil Nadu. It will start beginning of March and travel through all the ancient places of Tamil Nadu, learning about Tamil Nadu. Dakshina Chetra, which has been very generous, allowed us to do this. So it's a very auspicious beginning for the last leg of our journey of Auroville through Tamil Nadu.